Health, environment, safety matter na top agenda as Edo mark im 30th anniversary. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki tok say the state government go continue to make sure say they invest in the preserving of health, safety and environment of Edo State as Edo State mark im 30th anniversary. Oga Governor tok dis one during the flag off of a tree planting campaign wey shele for Idu village for Orioma local government forest reserve, as dis na part of the activities to mark the 30th anniversary wey dey in line with the government reforestation initiative of planting 10 million trees in the next 10 years.
It is for this reason that we are collaborating with private sectors and all communities to embark on the reforestation program, which would enable us to plant 10 million trees in 10 years. We must balance environmental sustainability with livelihoods and strategically reclaim our expansive forest lands for present and future generations. As we celebrate Edo State at 30 today, our emphasis and focus must be on environmental sustainability. In a post-fossil fuel era, we must strive to develop our natural resources, particularly our forestry resources and its value chain. That is why I will be planting trees as a significant step in leading to our forestry regeneration of growing 10 million trees in the next 10 years.
Oga Governor tok say Edo dey known as the center of the rainforest belt in Niger and West Africa, and na we responsibility to regenerate our forests. Na make we collaborate with private stakeholders. We must balance environmental sustainability with livelihoods and help reclaim our forest lands for present and future generations.
That is why we are emphasizing education as the fulcrum for our development. The Edo Basic Education Sector Transformation, Edo BEST, is globally recognized as one of the most significant education reform programs in Africa today. We are repositioning our civil services and public services to create a bureaucracy which will provide world-class service to Edo people home and abroad.
Governor Obaseki tok say in dey reposition our civil and public service to provide world-class service to Edo people wey dey home and abroad, and say im go continue to invest on youth through the ogbonge programs like Edo Skills Development Agency wey we know as Edo Job, wey don still born other ogbonge enterprises, Edo Production Centers, Edo Tech Hub and Edo Creative Hub.
We have continued to invest in our youths through various programs spearheaded by the Edo Skills and Development Agency, Edo Jobs, which has given birth to numerous enterprises in the Edo Production Hub, Edo Tech Hub, and the Edo Creative Hub.
This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top health, environmental matter as Edo mark im 30th anniversary. My name na Ehimema Ihirin, reporting from Benin.